My husband and I were in a tough situation and we needed a shower glass door immediately. And we Googled shower glass door and came across American Glass doors because of the ratings. We contacted them and Jay got back to us immediately, and he was very professional, and we didn't even have to go with another company because of his professionalism, and he was very fair. Our bathroom before was very dated. It was very dark. It was an orangish color. The cabinets were dark, and Jay came in and brightened everything up, and we love our shower glass door. Our experience working with Jay and his crew was amazing. Everyone's very professional, and in fact, they're more like family now. We are very happy with the results of our shower glass door and our bathrooms. He actually did 4 of our bathrooms and is currently working on our kitchen. I highly recommend American Glass door. Jay and his staff, they are an asset for anyone.